List all the factors of 32. So a factor is a number that goes into 32. The best way to do this is list my factor pairs. So think 1, always start with 1 and go in order. 1 times what is 32? It's 32. Then do 2. 2 times what is 32? It's 16. Then we'll do 3. Now, 3 obviously doesn't go into 32 because 3 times 10 is 30, 3 times 11 is 33. So it's not 3, so I'm going to rub that out. Now let's do 4. So 4 times what is 32? It's 4 times 8. 5, again, I can tell that it doesn't go into it because it doesn't end in 0 or 5. 6. Again, 6 times 5 is 30, 6 times 6 is 36, so 6 doesn't go into it. 7. 7 times 4 is 28, 7 times 5 is 35, so doesn't go into 32. 8, we start repeating ourselves. So all of these individual numbers here are my factors. So now I'm going to list them. So we've got 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. You can see I've just rearranged them to put them in order. So there's 6 factors there in total. If ever I didn't know if a number was a factor, I could have used bus stop or short division to figure that out. Find the highest common factor of 30 and 45. So I'm going to list my factor pairs of 30 and then I'm going to do 45. So 30, 1 times 30, 2 times 15, 3 times 10, 4 doesn't go into it, 5 times 6, and then 6 will be repeating ourselves. So I've done 30. Let's just list them out. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, and 30. Okay, now let's have a look at 45 and do my factor pairs. 1 times 45. You can tell straight away 2 doesn't go into it because it's not even. Does 3 go into it? So let's just check, do a little bus stop. 3 into 45. 3's into 4, there's 1 with 1 remaining. 3's into 15 is 5. So yes, it's 3 times 15. 4 doesn't go into it. 5 does, it's 5 times 9. 6 doesn't go into it. 6 times 7 is 42. 6 times 8 is 48, so it's not 6. 7, again, 7 times 6 is 42. 7 times 7 is 49. 7 doesn't go into it. 8. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 6 is 48, so that doesn't go into it. And then we're back to repeating ourselves. So we've listed all our factors. Let's write them out in a row. 1, 3, 5, 9, 15, 45. So now I'm looking for the highest common factor. That means the highest number that's in both of those lists. So let's look. So 3's in those lists. 5 is in both those lists. 15 is in both those lists. So all of those numbers are common factors, but the highest common factor is 15.